Alright, welcome back to my channel. It is Anise, the Boss Ladypreneur, coming at you with another Make Money Online video, and today we will be looking at how to make money with YouTube videos without showing your face. Yes, another awesome video where I will be showing you 2 additional methods on how to make those videos without showing your face and making money with YouTube. So let's get right into it. Also, remember to like, comment and subscribe to receive all updates and all new videos that I create for you to learn how to make money online. So remember, hit that subscribe button and keep on watching. Alright, so here we are in the first method of 2. We will be looking at today animated stats or animated statistics. Now these channels have blown up and continue to blow up currently, so let's have a look what the videos are about and how they actually make these videos without showing their face on YouTube. So scrolling on down, you can see the thumbnails are rather simple. Things like coronavirus cases in the US in the last one day, 9.7k views. Having a look along there, they have a lot of coronavirus case based videos and statistics where they show you what is going on within each country or how many deaths in the US by state and so on and so forth. All you need to do is scroll down and look at what it is that they have been covering during this period that the coronavirus has been out in our societies and in our countries. And if you scroll down, you can also see different information that they are covering for you and for their viewers to watch and learn about the current statistics in these given areas. So let's have a quick play of the most current video and you can actually see how animated stats are making their videos without showing their face, and nor do they show any scripts and they do not speak. So let's have a quick watch of the video. Alright, so as you can see, animated statistics simply places information into a statistical software, and this video is representing COVID-19 cases in the US, and as you could see, the numbers are animated to the left while the picture, the animation or the picture of the US shown to the right, with the statistical information running along in a graph formation to the right at the bottom. So this is just a piece of software that the creators of this channel have sought and entered the information. So let's have a look at how you too can create these awesome videos to make money with the YouTube Partnership Program on YouTube without showing your face. Okay, so here we are on a platform named flourish.studio, and we'll just quickly have a look at the pricing so that you can come on and start creating your animated charts to upload to YouTube without showing your face and make that monetization. Alright, so here we are. We have a free plan, public, free, everything is public, however it is free. So I would suggest starting there, and when you can afford to move through to the paid plan, do so when it suits you. But let's check out an example before checking out how much a channel like this can make for you. So here are the examples. You can create a bar chart, survey data, magic charts, connection globes, zoomable hierarchy, story maps, and so much more. So clearly this platform will allow you to capture any type of statistical data that is currently trending that you would like to put out to the YouTube viewers. So as I said, start with your free plan and move on through as you create your income on YouTube. Now that we've looked at that, let's go through and look at actually how much money you can make with this method. Okay, so here we are in Social Blade website, and we'll just scroll down and look at what Animated Stats makes per month and how many views they are actually getting per month. So Animated Stats been running for 3 years now and is getting about 29 million views in total. That's the total amount of views, 127k subs, and 104 videos uploaded. So we go on down and you can see here that they've had 3.7 million video views in the last 30 days. Their estimated earnings, monthly earnings, are 925 through to 14.8k. So that is pretty awesome. As an income, we could definitely live off that money, and if it's a residual income or an additional side hustle, then wouldn't that be an awesome amount to get monthly? So the estimated yearly earnings is 177k at the top end, and the low end 11.1k. So here are the charts showing you total video views per week and total subscribers per week to the left. We'll go down and see how much per day this channel is making from the views from creating these videos without showing their face. So 58k views as of today, or yesterday actually, and they are making $15 to $235 as of that day. And if we scroll on up, you can see that on some days they're making up to $550 or $581 per day. So I always say there is math that also goes in to finding out what the CPM is, or how much they're getting paid per 1,000 views. And it's a very simple calculation. If you look at $2 to $3 per view or per 1,000 views, that will give you the amount they are making. And obviously they give you a range because some channels are not monetized, but we know for a fact Animated Stats has been monetized. And let's check out what the calculation could be as well. Okay, so here we are. Let's do a quick calculation so we can see what is realistic for you to be able to replicate and make money just like this channel does on YouTube. So here we will do the 30th of April for an example, and we have 64,000 views, so we'll put 64,953. We'll divide that by 1,000 because that's how views you need to get to actually make these amounts. So 1,000 views, 64, and we will times that by $3 because YouTube pays between 25 cents per 1,000 views right up to $4. So we'll go closer to the higher end, so that'd be $194.85 per day. Now wouldn't that be an awesome amount to make as either a side hustle or your main hustle? So $194 is just at the mid, or just over the midway line of the CPM range that YouTube will pay you. So a realistic amount, great amount to make per day, and imagine making that full amount per month of 14k. So that would be a great little income. You too can do this just like Animated Stats and other channels that are doing the same. So let's go on back to YouTube and check out a second method. Now, in fact, if you would like to check out the second method, click the description in the link in the comment area below, or click the next available video. I will make that available to you in a second video. The second method is coming right at you. So thank you so much for watching this video. It was Anise, the Boss Ladypreneur. Peace out. Till the next video. Remember, like, comment and subscribe for more videos just like this. Peace.